In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your Squarespace website. Adding reviews can greatly enhance the trust and credibility of your site, giving visitors genuine insights into your products or services. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Common Ninja's website. This is a great platform full of widgets that can enhance your website's functionality. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the top of the page and click on the option labeled Widgets Plus. This option gives you access to a wonderful array of tools designed to help you customize your online presence. When you've clicked on Widgets Plus, you will see a search bar. In this search bar, type in the word Review. Doing so will help you filter through the many widgets to find the one most relevant to your needs. Once the results are in, you'll want to click on the widget called All-in-One Review Ansatsus. This fantastic widget compiles reviews from all over the web into one clean, easy-to-read interface. After clicking on All-in-One Reviews, you'll see an option to create this widget. Go ahead and click on and create an All-in-One Reviews. This step is essential as it will take you to the editing interface. Here's where you get to tweak your review widget to your liking. You can customize the style, layout, and sources of your reviews to match your website's aesthetic and tone. Once you've made all the adjustments you desire, click on Publish to make your widget ready for your website. Next, you need to make sure that you save your work. Click on Save Widget to store all your adjustments and customizations. Before you can move on, you'll be prompted to choose a folder to save your widget. Select one that makes the most sense for easy access later on. Now, remember to click on Save Changes. It's a simple but crucial step to ensure none of your work is lost. Once everything is saved, look for the Copy Code option. Click on this to get the HTML code snippet you'll need to embed on your Squarespace site. Now head over to your Squarespace website. You'll need to add a new block on the page where you want the reviews to appear. Click on ADD block to initiate this process. In the menu that appears, select Embed. This option allows you to include third-party content on your page. Next, click on Edit, followed by Code Snippet. This is where you'll copy the code you obtained from Common Ninja. Click on Embed Data to start the embedding process, and then paste your embed code into the field provided. Finally, click on Save, and voila, you have successfully added a reviews section to your Squarespace website. This enhancement will help build trust with your site visitors, showcasing previous customer experiences and potentially boosting your sales or engagement.